This is why you should never underestimate a retired legend, because when this YouTuber challenged Mike Tyson to hit him using only 5% of his power, he was confident he could handle it easily. But the moment Tyson landed a punch to his ribs, the YouTuber nearly considered retiring from his career. However, if you like this adorable kitten, like the video and subscribe, and look at this poor kitten. Its owner abandoned it because people find it disgusting. Nobody helps. If you are kind, compassionate, leave a heart emoji in the comments. Believe me, God will bless you and everyone in your family for this kindness. Share this video with your friends so this dog can be rescued. And look.
I'm gonna take a punch from Mike Tyson. Whenever you're ready. Oh.